Yo, what up YouTube, man? It's your boy Donnn here, back with the first of many videos of 2024, man. And you see in this video, I had to bring it in right, man. 2024, got my first sponsorship.
Man, shit done got serious.
With this Jeep motorcycle accessory company or something like that, y'all. So they ended up sponsoring me with a couple of their products, y'all. So today I'm gonna review them, but like I said, I'm just excited to have my first sponsor, man. Bringing in 2024 right. And that's the only right way, man, because my Donnn fans out there, y'all know they not with us. You know what I'm saying? Got to do it big, man. And Happy New Year's to everybody, by the way. Hoping everybody sticking to their resolutions and stuff like that, y'all. But getting in the video, I ain't gonna waste no time, y'all. So let's go ahead and my bad. Let's go ahead and unbox these products. All right, y'all. So I just snatched it out the box. And today, what we will be unboxing is a Jeep cover, man. And the brand name is Suparee. I don't know if you guys can see that. The brand name is Suparee. Shout out to them once again for reaching out to your boy Donnn and sponsoring me with the product. But you see, the Jeep cover comes with a little bag and everything, and y'all. And I think this is mainly for, you know, when you take your doors off. Sometimes you don't really have the urge and the energy to put the doors back on the same day, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And everybody don't have a carport or a garage like Donnn. So it looked like Suparee came up with a solution for that, y'all. So when the door's off or anything like that, you can slap this cover right on top, y'all. So as you can see, my doors aren't off right now, but I'm about to see if I can put it on without taking the doors on, y'all, because I don't really want to go through that right now, because the weather in Florida is actually pretty cold right now. It was actually like 30 degrees in Florida. Sound crazy, but you know what I'm saying, it's true. So we're gonna snatch this out the bag. Like I said, man, Suparee is the brand, y'all. The link is gonna in the description, so make sure y'all tap in and check that out, because it's a lot more accessories, y'all. Hopefully they sponsor me with some more. I mean, I seen these bags on their site. It was pretty cool. Like, you strap them onto the back of the roll cage, y'all. That shit was fire. I ain't gonna count. But y'all, it also came with a bag for the cover. So let's just go ahead and snatch this out the plastic real quick. Didn't sound right, but let's rip this out the plastic. Might be open. And they also mentioned that this cover is waterproof, y'all, so they wanted me to put that to the test as well. So I guess I gotta bring the water hose out once we get it all installed. But first thing first, I don't see any instructions unless it's wrapped up in here. No instructions yet, y'all. So if you come close, come close up on it like this, y'all. Y'all see it is that material, kind of like that tarp-like material, so it might be waterproof. We're gonna see here in a minute. All right, y'all. So it actually didn't come with no instructions, so this might be the only bad thing about it. The idea, like I said, is the good thing. It's perfect when you ain't got the energy to put the doors back on, y'all. But like I said, I'm gonna try to put it on without the doors real quick. So since we don't got to know instructions, even if it did have instructions, y'all, Donnn don't really use instructions. From my perspective, y'all, what it's giving me is that these right here is gonna hook on into these guard rails. So I'm assuming that's how it's gonna latch on. So that's what I'm gonna try first, y'all. So let's do that real quick. So YouTube, you know what's crazy? As I'm sitting here putting this on, y'all, I'm like, this ain't making no sense. I'm like, this ain't making no sense at all, man. Like, how is this? Because if y'all look at right here, you can see it's like a corner piece. So I'm like, is this supposed to be for like a two-door Jeep, or is this for like, this can't be for like no photo Wrangler? So I look back at it, it's for a whole Gladiator. I'm just like, bruh, I clearly don't have a Gladiator, as you can see. Like, that's just crazy. So this ain't gonna work for Donnn Jeep, you know what I'm saying? First sponsorship going wrong. I'm still gonna give it a good review, y'all, because I can tell by the material and just the design. Because right here, y'all, I don't have a Gladiator, but right here with your guardrails at the bottom, you can tell these here latch on and they come with a hook. So you can tell it's a good design still, and it's a good product for sure. I can almost spray this. I don't want to spray it because like it's not on my Jeep, but I can spray this and tell no water won't get through, y'all. So if you have a Gladiator, man, definitely give Suparee a shot. Even though I wasn't able to make it work 100%, but I'm still gonna use this damn cover, y'all, because when summertime hit and I got these doors off, you see how it is, just like that. That's how it's gonna be for me, y'all. So it's still gonna work out for Donnn. Hopefully they send over the right product, and whenever they do, y'all, I'm gonna give this video another try the right way, y'all. Appreciate it for tuning in today, man. Mean a lot. I know Donnn been gone for about a couple weeks, y'all. I probably haven't been posting like y'all used to, but like I said, I've been so busy, y'all. I had a lot of stuff to do. But new year, man, we finna get back to it, and had to tell myself, man, I came too far with this gold ass Jeep. Spent too much money on that wrap. They made too many videos. They met too many people through this Jeep, man. And just the Jeep group, the Jeep family, period, man. It's beautiful. And I gotta continue to make videos for y'all, especially for the people that was there with me when I had under 100 subscribers, man. We done came too far for Donnn just to go out like that, man. So like I said, appreciate it for watching. Make sure y'all click the link in below and check out Suparee products. And stay tuned for more videos, man. I gotta get this cover off, and we out, man.